Now, why is it better than the money we have today? Well, it's hugely better. In fact, it's much more secure. It uses different layers of cryptography. And cryptography are these secret codes that are used to secure information. Spies and governments and intelligence agencies use them all the time. Another way to look at this is, if you look at a traditional bank account, you have a bank account number. And that number is used to deposit, but it's also used to withdraw. So if you have that number and you have some identification, you can pull money out of that bank account. It's not that safe. In the world of cryptos, and in Bitcoin in particular, there are two addresses. One's a deposit-only address, and that one you can give freely, because mathematically the only thing they can do with that address is deposit to it. The worst case is someone will give you free money. So that's great. And then there's a secret code, the private key, and that is required to withdraw the money. So imagine that you just never give that private key out, and that's the only thing you need to secure, but you give the deposit address to whoever needs it. So this is one example, and there's many others, but that's one example why it's so much better.